いいか、ジェノス、続けることだ。どんなに辛くてもな。俺は3年でここまで強くなった。腕立て伏せ100回、上体起こし100回、スクワット100回、そしてランニング10キロ。これを毎日やる。
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is HBK. In this video, I'm going to share with you a new Notion system, a new gamified Notion system that I created that's going to help you build a training regimen that follows Saitama's workout routine. Okay? Alright, now what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough or a demo on how this template looks like and how it's going to work. Okay? So you can decide whether this template or this gamified system is for you or not. Alright? Alright, first up, let's have a look at the hero section over here. So this is where you can create a hero page of your own. For example, what I have here is a page that I created called me. Alright? So over here, you can have a look at a single glance, your class, your level, your experience points, and your abilities over here. So if I click on this page, it's going to open on the side and it's going to give me an overview of everything about myself. Okay, so I have my class, my level, my experience points over here, my abilities over here, and also at the bottom here, my training sessions. Okay, so all of these training sessions are filtered according to this hero page. Alright, next we have a look at the ability section over here. Okay, so ability are essentially your workout routine or your exercises. Okay, so what I have here under the active tab are examples, push-ups, running, sit-ups, and squats. And you can obviously add more if you want to, or remove some of them if you want to. Okay, and under this category tab over here, if I click on it, you're going to see a couple of categories: aerobic, strength, balance, and also flexibility. So these are all pre-made selections that I created for you. You can obviously edit it if you want to. All right. So under each category, we have different exercises: running, cycling, swimming, strength, push-ups, sit-ups, squats, plank, and pull-ups, and so on. And so that is the ability section. Okay, very simple. And next, at the bottom of the page, we have the training section. Okay, so this is the master database of all your trainings. Okay, so you can have a look at all your trainings here. So you have your sessions that you are still not started, in progress, or high priority. Okay, and you can also have a look at different views. For example, I have here the calendar view. So click on it. It's going to open in a calendar form, so I can see exactly when and at what date that I have done my exercises and when I'm going to do my exercises. Okay, and we also have other views like ability. So all of these sessions according to abilities, according to difficulty, according to hero. And finally, we have here the logbook, which is gonna show all the sessions that you have completed or you have failed. All right, so next, let's have a look at the top right corner of the page. So this is kind of exciting. This is like essentially a meal planner. Okay, so this is a meal planner database.
もちろん、1日3食きちんと食べろ。朝はバナナでもいい。
Built inside this template, integrated into this template. Okay, so you can add a meal planner by just clicking on this add a new meal button here at the top here, or you can use this blue new button here. Okay, and if I click on one of the meals over here, it's gonna have a number of properties. For example, here you can link a hero to it. So you can just click on this link to another page. You can select your hero, and then you can add a time. You can select a type of meal that you're going to have, nutrients, and some ratings. You can select a date and also add some notes, and also add an image to it. So you can just snap a photo of your food, and then upload it into your page, so that you can log in all your meals in one place. All right, and it's going to show up just like this, beautifully, just like that. All right, and we also have a rating tab over here, which can have a look at which foods or meals that you like the most. All right, now I have these 3 quick action buttons. I've shown you one of them earlier. So these are like very useful whenever you want to have a quick look of all your things. For example, you don't need to go to scroll all the way to the bottom here to have a look at your session. All you need to do is just click on this view training session, click on it, and you can see the same exact thing at the bottom here, what you can see on your right screen over here. Okay, the exact same database, calendar, ability, and so on. Okay, and if you want to start a new training, you can just create a new training by clicking on this button. So if you click on it, it's going to open a new page on the site. And you can also use a template that I created for you over here. For example, if I want to go a 10-kilometer run, I just click on this 10-kilometer run, and it's going to pre-fill everything for me just like that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just select a hero, and then link this page, and then I'm done. Okay, now once I am done with my exercise, if I want to register my experience points, all I need to do is just click on mark as done, and you're gonna have a look that my level will level up. Okay, so I'm gonna click on mark as done. 1, 2, 3, boom. Now I am at level 26. All right. Now, what if you failed your exercise? You can also change the status by just click on this status fill, and then click on fill, and you're gonna see that my level will drop. Okay, click on fill, and I am at level 24. It was 25 earlier, right? So whenever you fail an exercise, your experience points will be deducted. Okay, so that is pretty much it on how this template works. Pretty simple, practical, and everything you can do is on a single page. All right, that is it. I hope you liked this quick walkthrough and demo. If you want to get this template, have a look at the description below. There's a link in the description, or check out my first comment. If you have any ideas or anything that you'd like to share with me, just type down in the comment section below and I'll try to respond to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Peace. Bye-bye.
最初は死ぬほど辛い。一日くらい休もうかとつい考えてしまう。だが俺は強いヒーローになるためにどんなに苦しくて地ヘドをぶちまけても毎日続けた。